Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change Cloudflare DNS IP address. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Cloudflare website, and then log into your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Cloudflare dashboard. You'll see a list of all your domains. Click on the one for which you want to change the DNS IP address. This is important since each domain can have unique DNS records that need individual updates. Next, click on the DNS Settings tab for that domain. This section contains your DNS records. Think of them as the internet's way of knowing where to send visitors when they try to reach your website. Locate the record you want to change. It's usually labeled as an A record for most standard setups. Click on the Edit button next to it. Now, carefully replace the old IP address with your new one. Double-check the new IP for accuracy. Even a small typo can cause your site to become unreachable or misdirect traffic. Once the new IP is entered, click Save to apply the changes. This will instantly update the DNS record with your new IP address. And that's it. So that is how you can change Cloudflare DNS IP address. So that's all for this video. Thanks.